Maybe this is called. It's a really simple melody.
Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Who you not? They throw the book.
It's a little bit too much in the foreground, so I'm gonna add some reverb so it gets more in the background, so you have more focus on the vocal. Okay, so I'm gonna add some rhythm to it, because it's just the vocal and the bass and the melody, but you want to keep moving on it. So what I'm gonna add is from a sample pack, the break claps of course, because we're working in the break. So what's cool in hip hop tracks that they always have the vinyl crackle in it. So I think it's cool to use this in this track as well, because we have a kind of hip hop vocal.
Who am I? You know she hooked on me.
How we filter out the ugly frequencies.
They got me shook on me. Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Who you not?
Let's turn on the pitch. As you can see in my pack there are 6 risers, and I never used another riser than those 6. So.
Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Who you not? They throw the book on me. Oh Lord, I did my they got me shook on me. Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Who you not? They throw the book on me. Oh Lord, I did my time, they got me shook on me.
Because that's the snappy part of the clap, and if you boost that one, your clap is way more noticeable in your mix, and that's really the clap is really important in your drop because it defines the rhythm.
You know she hooked on me. Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Who am I? You know she hooked on me. Oh Lord.
Well, pitch it up to create a rising effect. So the arrangement of the track is already here. So what I'm going to show you guys now is how I mix my tracks. I will start with a drop, because that's what the most mixing happens. And I will also give some mastering tips, because that can be really helpful for getting your tracks bigger and better. So to start off with mixing, it's really important that you keeping your ears fresh, because if you are working too long in a project, your ears can be tired, or you can hear things differently than you are supposed to hear them. Gonna add another EQ. So what just happened is that you can hear I have a lot more mid-lows and a little bit less sub than the other track. So what I'm gonna do is